How to use the clone stamp tool in Photoshop. First, let me say the clone stamp tool is a very robust and powerful tool. In this quick answers video, we're just going to cover the very basics to get you up and running. So, first we're going to select the clone stamp tool. If you look over on the left side in the tool menu bar, it is this icon here that looks like a little rubber stamp. There is also a pattern stamp, and I can get the other options by right-clicking over the icon. But I want the clone stamp tool, which you can also use the keyboard shortcut S to select. Now, you'll see the outline of the stamp tool on the cursor. If I wanted to cover up that mole, I would go ahead and resize my brush down to a smaller size. I'm going to go ahead and use the left bracket key to achieve that. So that's about the size of the brush that I want to use. First, I need to tell Photoshop where I want to gather pixel information from. To do that, on a Mac, I'm going to Option click in a space with similar colors or textures. On a PC, it would be Alt click. And now, when I move my cursor over there, it's gathering information from the spot that I told it. If I click, it paints in there and it does a pretty good job. So if I wanted to get this freckle right there, I'm going to go ahead and make the brush a little bit smaller. And I'm going to Option click right here, and boom. And you can see that was not the best choice of where to Option click. So I'm going to hit Command Z or Control Z on a PC to undo. And I'm going to Option click right about here. And you can see that gives you a much better job. And you can do that throughout the photo. It's also useful for a myriad of other things. And that is how you use the clone stamp tool in Photoshop. If that answered your Photoshop question without wasting any of your time, I would appreciate it if you liked the video, and while you're down there, please subscribe.